I'm Cory and I am an ultrasonic engineer for Herrmann Ultrasonics. My day as an ultrasonic engineer entails traveling around to customers, servicing the machines, and solving challenging applications. I started managing my type 1 diabetes with my CGM about 10 to 12 years ago. My supplies have diminished a lot. I only have to worry about it every 3 days for my insulin pump and every 10 days for my CGM. The occurrences of hospitalization have gone down significantly since I've been on a CGM. Yes, my awareness has heightened. Well, no, I wouldn't even say that. I would say my awareness has actually gone down because of the CGM. And the reason I would say my awareness has gone down because of it is I don't have to be so worried about checking my blood 4 times a day on something that's not connected to me. Having the CGM giving me alerts does give me a big peace of mind. Wearing the CGM device now improves it because my calculations are already accounted for in my blood sugar reading, in my insulin pump, and for my carb ratio in my insulin pump. It keeps you more level during the day because it's always telling you what your blood sugars are. I would definitely say the CGM has changed my life. Takes less responsibility off of me, where I can just look at my electronic device to see what my blood sugar is. It does open up the freedom for you to do more sports and hobbies as you're able to closely monitor your glucose readings. As an ultrasonic engineer, I travel a lot. Traveling with the CGM and insulin pump now compared to when I was younger is I have to bring a lot less supplies with me. All I have to do is bring what I just need for the couple days or the week I'm gone. I carry just a tiny little bag with me compared to having to bring boxes of stuff. So it's made life traveling a lot easier. It also makes my job a lot easier traveling with the CGM and insulin pump. Working for Herrmann Ultrasonics makes me proud of being a part of the supply chain manufacturers for CGMs. Yeah, CGM is awesome. I mean, it's great. I love it.